All right, good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the church. This is the Crypto Flight Edition. Yes, your fellow competitor speaking. So, quick update on Dogecoin. On our last video post, which was about April the 30th, 2025, still looks like Dogecoin is above that level that we explored. So, on this video, we'll explore the range, of course. For the long-term investors, just kind of reiterate that, as well as where I see Dogecoin going here in the short to mid-term. So let's get into that information. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, loyal subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. So today's June the 17th. 2025, the current price of Dogecoin, 17 cents, slightly negative 5.6% for the day. All right, folks, let's go ahead and get into this. So if you're new and you don't know the range of interest, we're going to explore that, break that down for you here very briefly. Nothing spectacular. It's just a range. Let's see. It goes all the way down to, I think it's about 9 cents. Yeah. Was it 9 cents? Right there. All right, so the two white lines, if you're looking at the screen, it's going to be in between. It's a very large range. I get that. But if you're like a short-term investor, unfortunately, this video may not serve you the purpose of what you're looking for. But if you are a long-term investor with Doge, that range, again, will be in between the white lines, which is 22 cents. And it goes all the way down to about 9 cents. So, again, I know that's kind of a broad range. But on our last video post, which is where we made the call at about 13 cents, I think it was, if you're looking on the screen, yeah, right about there. So we made an interesting observation and noticed that the price is within the long-term investors range, okay? So if right now, right, not financial advice, but if you are looking to add to your position or start to structure a position here in the Dogecoin market, I don't see why that would be a bad idea. As long as you have some sort of projection out as far as 3 to 5 years minimum, then yeah, this should be a really interesting area to start or add to your position, okay? So the last but not least thing that we're gonna go over is where I see Dogecoin going here in the short to mid-term, which is, let's just call it a few weeks. All right, 3 weeks, my infamous 3 weeks. So of course, Dogecoin is going down right now. And I do see more downwards pressure. And I do think that, not guaranteed, of course, but I'm seeing this level right around here. And that's going to be at about 14 cents. Now, of course, let's give it 3 weeks. Cryptos move extremely fast. It could happen literally within the next 4 hours. Again, this isn't like a bearish or bullish video. It's just kind of giving you where I'm seeing the next move in Dogecoin, and as I'm seeing this as an opportunity if you are patient, and of course if you already have a position, not sure what your average is, but it's not a bad idea, guys, okay? Am I invested in Dogecoin? We're actually looking to get back into Dogecoin as we were able to capture this move here. For those of you who do remember, I think we made a call somewhere around over here, and then of course Dogecoin went all the way up to about 47 cents. So that was a beautiful call. We didn't sell at those levels, right? We sold, I think it was like 22 cents, somewhere around here, guys. So it was an interesting entry and exit, and right now we're just looking to re-enter, and the price levels that Dogecoin is presenting right now looks fair, okay? I don't think it's a bad idea, so we'll keep you guys up to date. And as far as when we re-enter this market, and that's pretty much all the information that I have now. So in summary, it's a very broad range for the long-term investors. You guys can go ahead and do your own research, right? Not take this as financial advice, but it's looking pretty interesting at these levels, okay? As long as there's a down days, all right? When the market starts going up, right? Dogecoin is up 10%. Hey, Napoleon, is it time to buy? I'm not sure. I'd much rather, I feel more comfortable entering a position on a down day within a specific range that I've identified. And in this case, the long-term investors is in between 22 cents all the way down to 9 cents. Again, broad range, but I do think that strategy, if you use that strategy, just kind of down days 4 to, I don't know, like 8%, like that range, just start to structure that position. Down days within that broad range, yeah, I think you'll do just fine. Again, not financial advice, all right? And of course, last but not least, I do think it's going down to about 14 cents minimum. Could go lower, that's fine. That's just where I'm seeing it here over the next few weeks, okay? And again, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, if you got some information out of it, be sure to leave an appropriate thumb, so we'll close it out. So of course, leave an appropriate thumb on the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your continued ears and support. And if you guys knew, we also explore the traditional stocks from time to time, so you can kind of join us here on this interesting journey. And we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter the market. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now. Guys and girls.